Hi, Henry. Are you ready for dinner, buddy? My goodness. I'd say so. Okay, let's get it, okay? All right, buddy, we got it. Are you excited? My goodness. Think you're starving half to death, huh? Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was going to try and push the bowl away a little bit. Huh. Let's get you some hay, too. Some hay. Is that good stuff? Got yourself all worked up because you saw us up dropping off feed with the cows, huh? So excited you don't know which one you want to eat first. It's the good stuff in the center. You're goofy. That straight looks like a stick. Let's get that one out. All right, buddy, you have a good dinner, okay?